Follow me while I show you step by step. So if you don't know how to get to this particular point, I made a video on how to get to this particular stage. Check the channel and find the video and watch it. Thank you. Desktop formats. If you don't know how to do that, a video is also there to guide you. So now, this is not the channel that I intend to work on. I'm going to log out from this channel to another channel. So now all I'm going to do is I'm going to click on switch account. So I'm going to enter this channel, Mma's Corner. That is the channel that I want to work with. So I'm going to select the channel. So now we've selected the channel. I'm going to click on view channel. So now the channel is, so this is the channel. This is how it's looking. Now I'll click on customize channel. So here we have it. So now, first of all, we don't have a two-step verification. They have just alerted us that we don't have a two-step verification. So let's get started with that first. Do my two-step verification. So the first thing I did was to change the email that is already logged in my Google. So I had to choose a different email altogether. So I wanted to select the second email. That's the email I want to work with for the channel. I clicked on it and yes, it has been selected. So I'm going to work on this email to use it to verify my YouTube channel. So after doing that, they are going to take us to the verifying stage where we have to input a passkey. Now we are going to go ahead to add our phone number, punch it in. It should bring out the country code, the student. So now we have to find Nigeria. So now the number is cat. Okay, the number is not. So I'm just going to remove the 04419. Yeah, so this is the number. So I'm going to click on next. Okay, verification. Verify this is your number. So this is the number that was sent. So I'm going to input it to verify. Done. So when signing in, you will be asked to complete the most secure second step. So make sure this info is always up to date. Okay, so your account is protected with two-step verification. Prevent hackers from accessing your account with an additional layer of security. Unless you are signing in with a passkey, you will be asked to complete the most secure second step available on your account. You can update your second steps and sign in options anytime in your settings. So you see, make sure that you can access your Google account by keeping this information up to date and adding more info to it. Password and key, passkeys and security keys, prompt, phone number. So these are the ones that I'm using. So you see, we've done that. So now we are going to go back to where we started. So here we are. You can see refreshed to see if yes, you see the notification is out, which means that we have done our two-step verification.